This demo is geared for asset managers using the site to distribute information about the assets they want to share with their users. Information about assets changes continuously. This platform allows the asset manager to easily update that information, and these changes are available in real time to all end users accessing the platform. Let's go through a few features available to the asset manager role. First, log in. In clicking on your dashboard, you will see a list of all projects you manage. Click on the project you are going to manage. In this example, we'll click on the Demo Bank Loan Sale. The project will open and you will see the list of assets in this sale. On the left, you will see a hyperlink on each asset ID. Clicking on an asset hyperlink will bring you to an Edit Asset page. The Data tab at the top opens by default, and from here you can change any existing information about the asset, and all changes to the fields are updated in real time when you click on the Save button. In this instance, we're changing the appraised value and the city. The second tab, labeled as the Files tab, allows you to upload new documents that you want to make available for users to download. First, we'll add one document to this asset's due diligence folder. Alternatively, you can delete existing documents so they will no longer be available for user downloading. We'll delete the existing documents like this. A fast way to add documents is our drag and drop feature, which lets you select multiple files from your computer at once and drag them to the new file area for simultaneous upload like this. We support the upload of any type of file, including doc, Excel, PDF, JPEGs, and so on. The third tab, labeled Pools, lets you associate certain assets with one or more of the pools you have created, or lets you create a new pool on the fly. As you can see in this example, there are already 3 pools created. We'll go through the steps for creating a new pool. For example, let's say you want to create a pool of assets for investors to bid on, which all have the quality of both commercial and cash flowing. We'll create a pool named Cash Flowing Commercial and add this asset into that pool. Other assets in your project which meet this criteria can also be added to the pool. Click the back button to arrive at the main asset listing page and locate another asset that you want to add to the Cash Flowing Commercial pool. Click on that asset's hyperlink, go to the Pools tab, and you will see the new pool type you created appear as an option to select. Simply check the box to add this asset to the Cash Flowing Commercial pool. We'll do the same for a third asset. Now, when you go back to your main search page and open the search, select the pool called Cash Flowing Commercial. You will notice the data has been filtered down to the assets you added to the Cash Flowing Commercial pool. This is an easy and fluid way you can form and share groups of assets into pools for investors to view and bid on. Let's go back to your dashboard and look at another project you have permissions to manage. We'll look at the Demo Bank REO sale. Another way to quickly make many changes to multiple assets is a feature we call Quick Edit. On the main project asset listing page, simply click once on the field you wish to edit, type the data you want to change, and press the Enter button. Your change is instantly saved and updated to all users in real time. In this example, we will change the appraised value on the first row, change the city in the second row, and change the status in the third row. As an asset manager, you have extra search fields which are not available to investor end users. One example here is that your asset listings contain a column titled Internal ID, which is not displayed to end users. And your search functionality allows you to search for this internal ID number as well. If you know the specific internal ID, you can enter it to bring up the asset. For example, I'll type in access. This pulls up the one record containing the word access. Again, I'll try typing in 1111. This search will pull up all internal company IDs containing 1111. Asset managers can also search for and view assets which are not actively displayed for end users to see. In this case, I'm searching for assets that are withdrawn. After reviewing the withdrawn assets, I locate one that is ready to be shown to end users. I click on the link to edit the asset and change the status to listed. Now that I have saved the status change, the asset will show up for end users when they log in. Going back to the main project asset listing screen, you will notice you have the ability to download the data fields on all assets to Excel. End users have similar functionality. However, your permissions will allow you to download all available fields on the assets, rather than just the information you make available to end users. In this case, the Asset Manager's extra field includes internal ID. Asset managers also have the ability to create new assets on the fly. Simply click on the New Asset button, choose the project you wish the asset to display in, and fill out the relevant information, and hit Save. The asset is assigned a unique ID and is available for users to view in real time should you so desire. If you want to create the asset, but then publish it to end users later, make sure the status is unlisted. When you are ready to publish the asset to end users, you can change the status to listed. This wraps up our Asset Manager role in Asset Publisher.